Most people use AI like a search engine. They ask a question, they get an answer, they move on. That's not how the people pulling ahead are using it. In 2026, the professionals and business owners gaining ground have built 4 AI roles into how they work, each one handling a category of work they used to do manually. Here's each role and the exact prompt to start using it today. Role 1, the researcher. Anytime you need to understand a topic, a competitor, or a market, before a meeting, before a pitch, before a decision, this is the role you activate. Open Claude or Perplexity and type exactly this. Act as a research analyst. Give me a structured brief on what it is, who it affects, the top 3 opportunities, and 1 key risk. Keep it under 200 words. You'll have a working brief in 90 seconds. Role 2, the writer. Every email, proposal, and report you write from scratch is time you won't get back. Use this prompt instead. Write a first draft of A4. Tone. Clear and direct. No filler. Under 150 words. You stop writing, you start editing. Your output doubles. Role 3, the analyst. You have data you haven't read, feedback you haven't processed, reports sitting in a folder. Paste the content into ChatGPT or Claude and use this. Here is, find the top 3 patterns, flag anything urgent, and give me a 1-paragraph summary I can share with my team. The bottleneck is gone. Role 4, the planner. At the start of every week, do this once. Here are my goals for the week. Here are my constraints. Build me a prioritized daily plan, Monday to Friday, with the highest leverage tasks first. Most people never try this. The ones who do describe it as the single highest return habit they've built with AI. 1 hour saved today. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down AI tools for professionals and business owners every week. Grab the free starter toolkit at bfluenti.com.